Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. It's been a long time since I did a shaving video, but I thought since I've got some new hardware, it's probably worth it. I'm just lathering up here in the background, so don't worry about my jerky movements. I'm not nothing wrong with me. Nothing wrong a shave can't cure anyway. So right, let's get straight into it. I've been working on a razor for a while, about a year. It doesn't have a name yet, and it's modelled off an old razor that I was gifted by a gentleman from a Hungarian shaving forum. Now, the razor that he gifted me was made of Bakelite. It's a creamy off-white. I guess it started its life white with a black, weirder looking handle on it. I just like the head design. I thought it's quirky. It shows a lot of, stuff I've never seen before. Or not seen all in one razor all at the same time. I've seen stuff like the lather channels similar. I've seen the top caps similar with a humpback on it. But I haven't seen all of these elements together in one razor. So I thought, why the hell not? Why the hell not just make it in metal and see how it goes? So I asked the machine shop that machines my aluminium razors to make one for me, and they did. And I got it back about 10 days ago, and I've been mulling what to do with it. So before I look at the hardware, let's look at the software that I'm using for this shave. So I pre-shaved with Proraso White. If I can get that to focus. Proraso White, which is a beautiful kind of menthol pre-shave. I've just lathered up with the Seaforth Heather. Come on, focus, you bastard. Seaforth Heather, which is fantastic. It says scents of lavender, bergamot, geranium, clary sage, oak moss, and coumarin, and it smells absolutely fantastic. It's probably only the third time I've used this soap since I bought it, and I think it's actually got better somehow. I left it in the pot in the cupboard, and it's gone from what was almost a crope to a semi-hard soap. So that can only be good. I'm going to finish off with an Arlington aftershave once I'm done. If I haven't cut myself to ribbons, here we go, Arlington aftershave. And that's a classic English fragrance for gentlemen. So let's have a sniff while we're waiting. Yeah, absolute. Reminds me of Saturday morning at the barber shop. So I've got custom alpha shave mug that I had made at a pottery here in Hong Kong. And the Alpha Outlaw with a silk smoke knot. So this is a 28mm silk smoke knot. So onto the razor, guys. So here he is. Doesn't have a name yet. Sig Solo said I should call him Mjolnir, which is Thor's hammer. Try and get that to focus a bit better. But you can see that, let me just take the top cap off. You can see that it doesn't have conventional lather slats. It's got these like fins inside that allows the lather to flow through. The top cap holds the blade. It doesn't have any center ribs. It has side, I don't know what you call those, pips, I guess. A bit like the what's it called? A bit like Wolfman does to hold their blades in. This prototype's a bit tight at the minute, so the blade is actually stuck in. Well, that will be rectified on the main razors. But the main thing about this head is look at the humpback on it. It's quite a thick head. It's about 12mm thick, which is a lot thicker than most people like on their razors. And you can see that it's definitely a prototype. It's not perfect. The machining is not perfect, but it's good enough. I've just shoved a little Braveheart handle on it, just for the hell of it. So let me give you a close-up again on the razor. You can see the blade gap. Boy, does that look scary, but I'm telling you, it's not. I shaved with the Bakelite one many times, the Bakelite version of this, and it is absolutely fantastic, very easy to shave with. I haven't measured it, but the blade gap looks like about 1.25, something like that. So it's not a mild razor, it's quite efficient, but boy does it shave well. It shaves fantastically, in fact. So let's get on, let's get to it, as they say. Gonna give my face a quick rinse and then we'll get lathered out. I've got 4 or 5 days of growth there, so to give this razor a good workout. Let's get going. Let's get going. Okay, the fragrance on this razor is absolutely fantastic on this soap roller. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to give it a good rub in, get my beard softened up. Let's give old Molyneux, if that's what he's going to be called at the end of it. I'm not sure yet on the name. I want something that people can pronounce and something that people connect with. So, you know, guys, if you want to give any suggestions, then suggest away. I had sort of code named it Latherflo because of the way the lather flows through. Let's see. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, let's get going. Wash my hands. Wet the razor. Let's go, as the guy says. Bags the seed back on it, but actually does not feel aggressive at all. But as you can see, it's getting rid of that hair. Absolutely nobody's business. Rinses out a treat, so there's no lather stuck in it. You would think that shaving with this was going to be hard work, like you know, like a Merca Future on, you know, cranked up as far as you can get it on 6+, but no, it's not. This is easy. This is so smooth. And I'll show you how you can get under the nose with it as well. Absolutely no problem getting under the nose. Here there's a little bit of feedback there because of those wide lather slots, giving the sound something to resonate in. Okay. Chin. See the stubble there, watch it disappear. Gone. For such a scary looking razor, I tell you what, it's a pussycat, I'm telling you. Beautiful, easy shave. All right, under the nose, wash. Big thick head, big thick nose. Easy as pie. Okay, rinse down, get lathered up for pass 2. I'm going to go 80 across the grain this time, and then I'm going to do 1 pass against the grain and see how it goes. But pretty much all of the growth is gone already. So, got soap up my nose, that feels weird. Yuck. Good, I'll be smelling that beautiful heather shave soap all night, thank God. It's a long time since I used this shaving brush as well, so coming back to the silk smoke's got actually quite a quite a treat because I've been using G5s for the past kind of year and a bit, almost exclusively. Coming back to a regular synth actually feels quite nice, very smooth. Get that evened out, and then we'll go in for pass 2 across the grain. Wash my hands again. Just a little bit of skin stretching here. Nice. I think you can hear by the feedback there's not much left. I mean, I'm a softy beard little puffer anyway, so, but still you see how much stubble that I did have and it's gone. Sweet. Sweet as a nut. A little wee bit there, but that's kind of normal. Pretty much every razor I use, I get something here in the cleft of my chin. Let's go ATG here again. Okay, ready for P3. Okay, there's a few pickups there, but this is the first time I've used the metal version of this razor. The actual first time. The Bakelite version I've used many times and I found it to be a fantastic shave. You can tell by the way that the lather's going on, there's actually not much left. No kind of audible feedback at all from the brush. Okay, let me just enjoy the rest of this delicious lather. I'm going to squeeze the brush out and get the whole lot on. Okay, let's get it all out. Ready? Okay. Ready? Against the grain. Nothing there. Absolutely zero. This is always the worst part to shave for me, and there's pretty much nothing there. Shave angle's pretty intuitive. That big hump on its back, despite what Gordon tells me, guides the shave angle. Maybe he doesn't need to, I do. Nice. Okay, big test is against the grain on my top lip, so get rid of this last bit first. Under here, scooping out. Ready. Okay, we're almost done. I mean, you know guys, you can press and press and press and probably shave another 5 times and still find a little hair somewhere, but you know, for a first shave on a new razor, I'm more than happy that I can go three passes and not feel sore. One tiny nick, which, you know, who cares, right? Let's take a look at it again. Codenamed what? Codenamed Latherflo. Maybe call it Molyneux, I don't know. We'll think of a good name for it. And again, I'm open to suggestions, guys. Take a look at him. The beauty, right? Him, her, it. I don't know. If I could get this fucker to focus properly, it would be a whole lot better. Let's see if I can... There we are. Let me just give it a good rinse out. There we go. So you can see daylight through there, guys. I don't have any feeler gauges with me at the moment. I would measure the blade gap, but you know what? Who gives a shit? Does blade gap really matter? Not really. Okay. Right, let's have a quick rinse down. I'll have a splash with that lovely Arlington and we'll call it a day. Look at the mess I've made, God. You can see I went from like Shaggy the dog to next to bugger all. Yeah, quite happy with that. Could buff a little bit more here and here, but you know, who couldn't? Chin's like a baby's elbow, as they say. Okay, Arlington. So I'm going to splash a bit on my hand and just warm it up just to get that initial alcohol burn off it. Give it a good rub. That is fresh. Oh, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. That set me up for the rest of tonight, actually. Guys, go. Here's the razor. Brush again. Alpha Outlaw with a silk smoke knot. Seaforth Heather. Dun. And Arlington aftershave. What could be better? Not much, I'm telling you. Sorry for the focus, guys, and sorry for the lighting. It's a quick impromptu video and you know, do my best. So yeah,